I got a new bike, man. I got a new bike. Whee! All right, technically the first ride today. Let's go. This thing's a fucking beast, you guys. 2017 Yamaha FZ-07. I'm just kind of getting all my setup right, my new helmet right, get the GoPro going, getting all the microphones set up in the helmet. So if it sounds a little different, I'm still tweaking a couple things, and be patient with me, because I'm bringing some dope shit for you guys this year in 2021. So I hadn't even made a vlog yet this year in 2021, man. I came out with a new bike, and that was about it for filming a vlog this year, man. So I really didn't want to film too much on my old bike, because I got a new bike, man. I got a new bike. Whee! So today we're going to the stunt lot, man. I'm about to meet up with a whole bunch of friends and go have a good time, man. So I bring out the new bike to go have some fun, man, because this is the fun bike. Not that the other bike wasn't fun, but this bike is particularly fun. Look good, feeling good. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to meet up with a couple buddies. So I'll hit you guys up when we get a little bit closer. Let's go! Yee! There he goes. First one, bro, I see you.
I got it on fucking high as hell.
I seen your foot come off. I was like, damn. I'm gonna go ahead and stop while I'm ahead, brother. Just having a little fun. Nothing wrong with that. Got the drone out here chasing us. Pop it a little bit. Second gear. Cause first gear is just like fucking, it's too twitchy, man. Yo, let's go. It'll buff out. Loopy. You good, bro?
Golden. Fuck it. Good. Dude,
Yep.
somebody wrecked my fucking bike.
Motherfuckers.
Who would do that?
Fucking son of a bitch.
Somebody wrecked my new bike. Fucking send it, dude.
It hurts just a little bit.
Your butt?
Fuck,
Let me see it.
Right, the crack.
You hurt your butt, man? We seen what your cheeks just look like. Hey, thanks for coming out, bros. keep doing dumb shit and I'll be there to see it. Yo, your bike's falling apart, bro. Your new bike. You're already fucking it up, man. He's already messing his new bike up, bro. I don't got no tools either.
Fuck it.
Fuck it, dog. There we go. Got a little one up right there. Another day in the life of motorcycling, man. It's a beautiful thing. We're back. Oh shit! What up? I love it, bro. Yeah, I don't know exactly where we're going. We're gonna stop and get some gas, probably here in a few minutes, and then figure it out.
I was just cruising around. I saw you guys, so let me turn around and see where they're going.
What's that? Tacos, yeah. Yeah, yeah, tacos. That motherfucker loud, bro.
Balls one day, probably with the front wheel up.
You keep hanging out with us, you'll be like, oh, I can do that. And you'll be like, fuck. Now I want to wheelie all the time.
A few moments later.